Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly, but I go by the name Glamorous K if you're new here. And in today's video, I have a very exciting unboxing slash review video for you all. Today, I will be showing you all an unboxing and a review of my new gorgeous bag, my dream bag that was kindly sent over to me from Babala Bags. Before we get started, if this is something that you're into, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you here. Also, do not forget to hit your bell notifications so that you never miss a video from me. Please like, please comment, and let's get right into today's video. Okay, you all, so like I mentioned before in the beginning of this video, I do have this bag that was sent over from Babala Bags. I will have their information down below in my description box. If you would love to get your hands on this bag for yourself or a loved one, all of the information will be listed down below. Let's go right ahead and get into more details. I'm going to give you all a review of this bag, a closer look. Here is the view from the sides of the bag. Here is the back of the bag as well. And this bag also comes with a long handle strap, and I love a versatile bag. If you are not a stranger to my channel, you definitely know I talk a lot about how I love versatile bags. I love how we have the top handles, and you can also detach or attach the long little strap here. And this strap is not adjustable, so like if you don't want this, you definitely don't have to keep it on here. And then we also have the gold hardware. And I absolutely love the gold hardware on this bag. The design is just so pretty. And then here is the bottom. The bottom does have feet. So yeah, I absolutely love it. This is such a gorgeous bag. And wait until you see the inside, you all. You will see that it definitely can hold a lot. I wanted to zoom you all in to get a closer look of the bag charm that we have on here. This little bow bag charm. It is optional to put the LV lock on here. You can actually take this off of here and put it on the zipper pull. It has a place for you to attach it on there, those little loops that are at the top. But I absolutely love the way it looks right here with the bow, so I'm going to leave it here for now. The bow design is absolutely gorgeous. The gold hardware buttons that you see on this bag down at the bottom, as well as up here with the straps, say Louis Vuitton. And then it also has the LV logos on the gold hardware for the zipper pull, which I think is absolutely adorable. I love the fact that they're bringing the Y2K era back with this bag, this whole collection of multicolor LV. Here is the chic design in the inside. We also have a slit pocket here in the front. But yes, this definitely passes my cell phone test. I put my cell phone in here and it fits just fine. I'm going to go ahead and show you that. Above the slip pocket in this bag, which I just went ahead and put the keys down in here for the lock down in there. But yeah, this slip pocket is pretty spacious as well, so you can throw like some gum down in here, any other like essentials that you can think of that will fit. Above the slip pocket, we actually have the Louis Vuitton tag, and it says 20-year anniversary celebration, Louis Vuitton times Murakami, and then it has like the Murakami sketches, if you all can see that. I'm trying my best to zoom you all in to see that, but that is absolutely a plus that it has this inside of the bag as well. This bag has a nude inside, so I definitely would want to be careful with what I put down inside here, because I definitely want to make sure that I'm protecting this very nude color that's in the inside. So definitely want to avoid color transfer, but it is a very soft filling in the inside. You can definitely go ahead and put a nice little catch-all in here, and then you'll definitely have more space for more essentials. I just think that it's absolutely gorgeous. I just need to get a wallet and maybe like a little matching change purse, and then we'll have a vibe set for this bag for sure. This bag definitely seems like it has a very, very good quality to it. I also have great news for you all. I will go ahead and put this up on the screen, and this as well will be down below in my description box. But I do have a discount code for you all to use if you want to go ahead and make that purchase and get this baby for yourself or a loved one. Also, I wanted to inform you all that when it comes to making a purchase on Babala Bag's website for this bag, they currently offer a ton of payment options. They have payment options that include Apple Pay, Google Pay, credit cards, Wise, Western Union, bank transfer, and Remitly. And additionally, if customers encounter any issues during the ordering process, they can contact their customer service via WhatsApp. So I just wanted to put that out there. It's very, very convenient for you all to make your purchase. And as you can see, they definitely offer a lot of payment options, and they're also available to help if you run into any issues, which is absolutely wonderful. But I also wanted to go ahead and pop a picture up on the screen of a video that I recorded for TikTok. So TikTok seen this first. This is showing you all the unboxing of this bag. I was just so happy to get my hands on this bag because I've been wanting this bag for so long. I feel like this bag is perfect for travel. I feel like it's for a good night out on the town or even like a nice little dinner date. It will match almost like any outfit due to the multicolor design that this bag has. I'm just absolutely obsessed with this bag, and I just think that it's absolutely stunning. It's gorgeous, and once again, I will have all of the information for this bag linked down below for your reference, as well as a discount code on the screen and in this description box for you all. And yeah, you all, I would like to thank you all so much for watching today's video. That does conclude today's video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and do not forget to hit your bell notifications so that you never miss a video from me. And I hope you all enjoy the rest of your week.